How to cancel Bilibili subscription. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to cancel your Bilibili subscription, the process is quite straightforward. What you want to do is open up Play Store on your device. Now you want to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now these options will appear. Go ahead and tap on Payments and Subscriptions. Here you will find four different options. Go ahead and select the second one, which is subscriptions. All of your subscriptions will be shown over here. You want to locate your Bilibili subscription. Now you want to tap on cancel subscription, then follow the on-screen prompts to confirm. If you do not see your Bilibili subscription listed over here, you want to ensure that you're signed in with the correct amount. If the subscription was made through a different payment method, you'll need to cancel through that specific platform. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.